This is day one of cooking with Steph or cooking with Pump. Now, I'm going to share with you meal number one. What I got in front of me right now is healthy, highly nutritious, and it's something I'd recommend for all my gym goers out there. So check this out. So, we've got 2 boiled eggs here, pre-done of course, very organised, you know how we do, easy. Over here, we've got the salad, washed, draining, ready to be chopped up. Over here, we've got the pasta, pre-boiled, al dente, for all my Italian guys and girls, of course. And then we got some water because you know there's only one thing to wash it down with. Okay, wait for the next step. Also guys, I forgot. The special ingredient for this dish I'm about to make is that grilled chicken, which I managed to grill earlier. There was no point showing the grilling process as I did it in the George Foreman grill. Kept it nice and simple. It's the seasoning that makes the difference. You know it. Yes, as you can see, we've been busy with the halloumi. Fried in a pan in grapeseed oil. Perfect. Yeah, so from there, the next thing you're gonna see is the finished dish. And there's a couple special ingredients in there. I'm gonna list up everything in there. I'm just about to reveal what the dish is. I'll list up all the ingredients in the dish. And we're going to see how beneficial it can be and when's the best time to eat it. Catch you on the flip side. Okay, so of course we had to add the avocado. We added the rest of our salad, and obviously we've got a natural salad dressing right there, made from these lovely ingredients, plus some spices of course. Stay tuned. Okay, here people, we have the finished article. Absolutely amazing meal, highly nutritious. I'm going to leave this on a screen and put up all of the ingredients.